Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from Gemini to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. By the end, you'll feel confident handling this process yourself. First things first, why do this? Gemini is great for secure storage, but Binance offers more trading options, so transferring Litecoin makes sense for active investors. Before we start, make sure you have a few essentials. A verified account on both Gemini and Binance, some Litecoin in your Gemini wallet, and two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. Let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw section. Select Litecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. You'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, check for any minimum limits or fees. Step 2. Generate a withdrawal address from Binance. Open your Binance app or website, go to your wallet, and find the deposit option for Litecoin. Copy the wallet address carefully. Double-check it to avoid sending funds to the wrong place, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Back on Gemini, paste the Binance wallet address into the withdrawal form. Add any required network details, like the Litecoin network, and review the transaction details. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to verify via email or 2FA. Step 4. Once confirmed, your Litecoin will be sent to Binance. This usually takes 10 to 30 minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Binance account for the deposit to appear. A few quick tips for 2025. Always use the latest app versions, as platforms update frequently for better security. Watch out for transaction fees, they can add up, so calculate them beforehand. And never share your private keys or recovery phrases. There you have it, you've successfully withdrawn Litecoin from Gemini to Binance. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.